Hello, everyone. What is one thing that you value a lot? If I ask you this question, I'm sure that you would find one thing that you value a lot. People always say that most men rather spend time outside of their home instead of staying in the house to take care of things. Many women do the same. I can assure you that I'm not one of the men. I'm going to take a moment to talk to some of the dads and guardians. So, are you one of those dads or husbands who spend their time outside, not knowing what's going on in the house? I'm sure some of you may be in this position. Let me tell you why I value my house. Let me tell you why I would rather spend a lot of time at home instead of wandering around on the street. Listen to me. Unlike many people, I value my home for a lot of reasons. My home is my sanctuary. I value my house because it is where I isolate myself from the noise and the craziness of this world. It is where I find peace of mind. It is the place where I find true privacy. Sometimes we need to take a break to rest our mind and body. We need our well-being to move forward. We need to remain in a silent corner to think, to plan about the future. While we may be thinking of the other members of the family, we need to do some self-care. We need to do that if we really want to function the way we should function in life. As a father and a husband, my home is where I like to spend time with my family. As a father and a husband, I value my home so much that I have no words to express it. My home is where I watch my children grow in front of my eyes. It is where I take the opportunity to spend time advising and coaching my family. You and I know that being actively present at home allows us to spend time with our children, to supervise them, and to avail ourselves to them. There is no better agent of growth and psychological stability than an attentive father who dedicates himself to his home. There is not a better place than a home filled with love, attention, joy, and warmth. At home, I always make my presence felt to prove to my family that they have someone on whom they can rely. My presence proves to them that someone is there and ready to support them. Have you thought of that? As I was thinking about how important my home is to me, I wrote myself some ideas. My home is the place for me. It is the first place that I treasure. It is different, but uniquely beautiful. It brings me happiness and serenity. When I'm home, I feel a sense of infinite peace. I feel a reason to go on with my life. Listen to the next line. I dare anyone to come to my home when not invited. I dare you to take it away from me. My home is mine and not yours. My home is mine and mine alone. Have you thought of that? What about you? What is the importance of your home, of your family to you? Do you value your home? It's time for the fathers and guardians who deserted their home to reverse course and to be there for their wives and their children. Your presence brings them a sense of joy and security. Your presence is greatly greatly needed? Are you a constant presence there? If you are, your family will be grateful to you. I hope you will think about those ideas, and you will think about your home, your family, and how supportive you are to your children, to your family, to your wife. And I'm sure you will see great results because you are there. You don't give up on them. I thank you so much for watching. Find me every Saturday on YouTube. The channel is the Willie Delmas channel. Please subscribe and share. Thank you so much for watching.